Good morning, children. Let's continue with exercise 11A, question number 10. In the adjoining figure, name the following pairs of angles. First one, obtuse vertically opposite angles. See this figure. Here we can see these two pairs of angles. They are vertically opposite angles as well as they are obtuse angles. That's why these are obtuse vertically opposite angles. Name of the angles are angle BOC and angle AOD. Part B, adjacent complementary angles. First of all, let's see complementary angles. In this figure, angle EOD and angle DOC. They are forming 90 degree. That means they are complementary angles. As well as they are adjacent also because they have a common vertex, a common arm, and non-common arms. They are on the opposite sides of the common arm. So angle EOD and angle DOC, they are adjacent complementary angles. Let's see part C, equal supplementary angles. Now in this figure we can see here that these two angles, they are equal supplementary angles because both are of 90 degree. So answer is angle AOE and angle EOC. Part D, unequal supplementary angles. Here also angles are supplementary but they are not equal. So here we can see AOB and angle BOC. These two are supplementary angles and they are not equal to each other. Part E, adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. As we know, what are adjacent angles? They have a common arm, they have a common vertex, and non-common arms, they are on the opposite sides of the common arm. So here we can see angle EOD and angle DOC. They are adjacent angles but they do not form a linear pair. Let's see question number 12. In the given figure is angle 1 adjacent of angle 2. Give reasons. Now as we know, adjacent angles, they have a common vertex, but in this figure these two angles, they have different vertices. So angle 1 is not adjacent to angle 2 because they do not have a common vertex.